So today is Tuesday and we are going to my work. They're gonna do COVID tested for all the employees. I think there's a COVID breakout in my work. So that's why they want us to go there. It's my day off actually. It's my second day off, and then so they just want us to go to get tested.
For sale? How do you like this house?
Which house?
It's for sale. I don't.
Why are you asking me if I like it?
I just wondered if you like that kind of style.
So,
I would never let buy anything on this road. Look at that. It's for sale.
so guys, focus.
Focus.
So guys, now I got tested and it was negative. And it was just quick. Just the receptionist who did it to me.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
She read it?
Because
How does she know how to read it?
it's kind of pregnancy test. It's all new because before it's all different, but now they have different kind of tests.
Oh, did they stick it up your nose this time?
Yeah.
Oh, they
Nose.
did?
I did it, but I did not really.
Try to touch your
a lot
brain.
of times, yes, before, like when they did it before, but now they let us do it and we just do it like a lot of times, so I don't really go deep. So now guys, we are going to TJ Maxx, one of my favorite store. My number one favorite is Ross shopping, because I can find good deals in Ross. Truck. And then are you going to all this? What are we gonna have snacks for them?
I'm getting a pizza. 2 pizzas. 4 people.
It's Ross. We are here in Ross.
Dress for less stress.
Dress for less stress. And then Aldi. Guys, we are home na. Mister, what did you buy? Oh, so guys, ito yung mga pinamili niya sa Aldi's. Broccoli. Yeah. Huh?
What are your veggies today? Broccoli, carrot, pepper.
Veggies.
Yeah.
Veggies.
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 Sweet potato. Potato.
This is my husband's Christmas decoration while I have this Christmas tree. Guys, oh, ang dami na.
Turn on.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn this on. So we have lots of gifts now.
There's only 2 of us.
Ito yung guys yung mga, ouch. Ito guys yung mga pinamili ko sa Ross and then TJ Maxx. Yan, ang dami ng regalo. Excited na ako for Christmas. So guys, ano ko lang, i-on ko na tong. So guys, kanina inon ko lang. Kanina, naglinis ako para bukas malinis pagdating ng mga sister-in-laws ko. Kasi tinaon talaga, sabi ko kay Tom na invite mo sila pag wala akong pasok ng 3 days para syempre makalinis, hindi makaligpit-ligpit. Kasi kahit kaming dalawa lang, makalat. So ito guys yung mga pinamili ko. Mamaya ko na ipapakita kasi magluluto na pala ako. guys, 4 p.m. na kasi usually nagpe-prepare na ako ng dinner namin for 4:30 kasi maaga kami kumakain. So guys, ito we're prepare for our dinner while my husband is doing the nasa lang sa fridge yung mga pinamili niya sa Aldi.
Favorite store to shop.
And all of this, half.
Just right there.
So we will have like salmon today. We will have like roasted vegetables with carrots, onions, and broccoli, and then pepper.
And peanuts.
And peanuts, yeah, we have lots of peanuts, guys. $4.25.
120.
So guys, ito na yung veggies. Pepper, onion, carrots, and broccoli, and then sweet potato. Tom, do you want red potatoes?
Yeah. How many are there?
3.
Just use one. Cut up a lot.
1.
Hey, you can use two.
Huh?
You can use two.
It is kind of a lot already.
Okay, one.
So there's also red potatoes. Ito lang guys, oil lang nilalagay ko. Gamit naming oil is extra virgin oil. Kasi guys, yung asawa ko healthy. Minsan, gusto ko ng rice. So, iba yung pagkain ko. Nagluluto lang ako ng rice. Pero ngayon, type ko lang kumain ng ganito. So, hindi na ako magluluto ng rice. Pag tinatamad na ako, hindi na ako nagpe-prepare ng iba. Kung ano yung kakainin ng asawa ko, yun na lang para hindi na ako magluto ng panibago. Usually, ako yung nagluluto pag dinner time. And then breakfast, kanya-kanya kami luto. And then pero pag may work ako, siya yung nagpe-prepare ng kakainin namin, like yung chicken ilalagay lang sa slow cooker, and then roasted vegetables. Yan lang palagi yung pagkain namin pag nagwo-work ako. Para madali lang. Wala yung mga gisa-gisa. Wala na. Mostly dito, roasted vegetables. And then, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng Miracle Blend. Ito yung seasonings.
No garlic salt.
Garlic salt?
No garlic.
Yeah, it's so salty. Just Miracle Blend or something else?
I
Like
put garlic and sea salt on there. That much. You do what you want to do. Usually it tastes pretty good when you're done with it. So you just do what you do.
Here in the US, guys, we don't really use MSG. Usually, ano lang, salt and pepper. And then Miracle Blend. Pero hindi yan MSG. Ano yan? Mga seasonings yan na pinaghalo-halo. Yung mga healthy seasonings. Oh, ready na yung oven. Saan yun? And then cinnamon, guys, nilalagay ko lang siya sa sweet potato kasi my husband loves cinnamon and sweet potato. So, ayan lang, guys. And then, yan lang. And then, ilalagay ko na siya sa oven. For how many minutes again? Then, salmon. So guys, ito, salmon healthy kami tonight kasi roasted vegetables and then salmon. Yung veggies is 8 minutes left na lang. Piprituhin ko na lang pala yung salmon. Ready na yung veggies. Warm ko ng keep warm. Pabili ako kay Tom kasi nilinisan ko yung oven, yung loob ng oven. Bali, gagamitin ko lang vinegar and then ito natural way para healthy din. Ginamit ko vegetable oil.
Oh, what?
dinner. Veggies.
Veggie dinner. Veggie for my wedgie. I need a veggie for my wedgie. Oh, that looks yummy. Yummy for my tummy. Veggie for my wedgie and yummy for my tummy.
Ito na guys, ang salmon. Pritong salmon. And then, yummy. So, ito lang guys yung pagkain namin. Pag dito talaga kami sa US, ganyan usually yung pagkain namin. Roasted vegetables kasi gusto talaga nito. Kahit pa ano daw, kahit araw-araw niyang ulam to. Kahit araw-araw niyang pagkain to. Okay lang sa kanya. Minsan naman meat kami, pero minsan salmon para hindi pa laging meat. Manunod kami habang kumakain kasi maaga natutulog sito. Mga 8 PM natutulog na siya. So, kaya habang kumakain, nanonood ng movie. Let's eat!
Let's eat our feet.
Alright guys, kakain muna kami. Yan. Then, Christmas tree. Then, ito. Decoration ito. Ayan. Hi!